Welcome back to Mathhack and Tech Tricks. Here we simplify complex math concepts and tech tools with easy to follow tutorials. Whether you are tackling algebra, graphing calculator, or mastering Desmos, we've got you covered. In this video, we will show you how to visualize and solve equations and inequalities like a pro. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Mathhack. Drop a comment with any questions. We are here to help. Okay, so today we are going to dive into equations, and we are going to start with how to solve equations on known variables. Okay, I have 5 questions here we are going to tackle, so let's dive into it. The first question says we have 0.25x plus 7, okay, equal to 4x minus 2. All right, now when you type it this way, it shows you directly what the answer is. So when you click on this equation, the answer is 4. Okay, now this is the normal or Desmos calculator. That is why you can solve it this way. There are calculators that you get error, especially when it's an exams type calculator. So the only way to solve it is by solving it like a system of equations, where we input 1/2 on one side, then we put the other on another slide without the equal to sign. So with this, we are going to solve it like a system of equations, and truly our S value is still 4. So here you can plug it all on 1 if you are using normal Desmos, or you can divide it as a system of equations, because this recognizes it as y equal to this, and it recognizes this as also y equal to that, which makes it 2 equations. Okay, we'll be discussing more on system of equations later. All right, let's look at our second question. Our second question is 12x minus 2, like that. So let's type it in. 12x minus 2 minus 3x equal to get 1/2, you do 1 and slash or divide, equal to 2 out, then we can get x plus 6 plus 2. All right, and the same thing, it gives us the answer around there. So we are able to get that quickly when we do it. Okay, so here it gives us the answer straightforward when we do it just like it is. So we are able to get what we are looking for exactly when you type it. If it is 2, you'll be able to get 2 as your answer. Okay, that is how we are going to solve this one. Let's look at the next question. The next question is saying we have 3x plus 5 equals to 14. It's the same trend. It's going to be easy like that. But if you are solving it as a different equation, the reason why I typed this question is because for normal Desmos, it's easy for you to get the answer to be 3. But what if you are solving it in an exams, okay, and it's not, this is not allowed, the equal to sign is not allowed. For that, you have to equate them to y. So you have to say y equals to, or you can simply say 3x plus 5 for the first one. Then if you type 14, nothing happens. Okay, so the only way to get the answer is to say y equals to 14. Then you can get the answer to be 3, just like typing in 3x plus 5 equal to 14 to give you 3. Okay, so like the way we got 3 for this one, the same way to get 3 for that, you have to equate. You have to say y equals to the constant 14. All right, that's the only way you can get the answer. All right, so let's go to the next problem. The next problem was set because there are days that we can get questions in terms of different variables apart from x. If you get a question different variable apart from x, if you type it as the variable, you won't get the answer. Okay, so that is why I introduced that. If you type it as 4m minus 2 plus 6m equals to 18, it doesn't know what m is. Okay, the Desmos calculator doesn't know all these different variables. It knows m to be a slope or something. So we need to change that, okay, to x's. To be able to get the answer, we need to change them back into x. So when we change it into x, then we get the answer for it as 2. Or as I said, you can separate it as -2 plus xx, all right, then y equals to 18. The same thing, and it will give us the answer at the exact place as 2. All right, so either way you can get the answer to be 2. Thank you so much for watching. Practice what you've learned. Comment, like, and subscribe, and hit don't forget to, we'll be seeing you in the next video on inequalities. We don't want the videos to be too long for you, so see you in the next video as we tackle inequalities and explain how inequalities relate to equations or how to solve them in Desmos. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you get our notification anytime we produce new videos. Thank you.